Dear brothers and sisters, we also wish to welcome as it is a Saturday and many would flock for pilgrims, our dear pilgrims of hope as we continue our Jubilee Year of Hope. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus confronts us today with realities, with a reality of our life. To all of us believing and following Him, we face acceptance, we face rejections. Some would appreciate the Lord, others would scrap off the Lord from their lives. At hindi ba dapat mga dahilan ito para tumigil o wag na lang manampalataya o sumunod sa Panginoon? Aawayan din naman tayo. Isasantabi naman din tayo. Hindi naman tayo paniniwalaan. Kaya pues, wag na lang sumunod. Tama na ito. But my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus reminded us, if the world hates you, realize that it hated me first. He had a lot of crosses then before Calvary. He was not accepted by his own fellows then. He was known to be a glutton. He was known to be a blasphemer. He was known to be of making gods and names then. Lahat na lang marahil, naranasan na ni Jesus. He was rejected. He was also accepted. But did he stop? Did he give up? The answer was a big no. He continued. He trusted. He moved forward. He kept his focus all through. And this is life, my dear brothers and sisters. Not every day there will be moments of joy. Not all the time we will all be accepted. Not all the time we will all be loved. Discouraging, yes. But will this put off the fire? Will this thing kill our heart? Will this end our desire? For Jesus, no. And hopefully for us, a no as well. Dahil alam nating may Diyos, hindi tayo aayaw. Hindi tayo talunan, hindi tayo mahina. Walang umaayaw kapag kasama ang Diyos. Whatever may come, it is not for us to stop. Because we have the Lord, we can move forward. We celebrate today one title of the Blessed Mother as Help of Christians. And with just the title, not still reading the story and the beautiful intercession of it, isn't it a consolation for us? She is help of Christians whenever we are being tested. She is help of Christians when no one is already loving us. She is help of Christians when life and every day is always hard. Mothers would always help whenever her sons or daughters are in need. Dahil hindi umaayaw ang mga nanay, palaban ang mga nanay. Dahil ayaw nilang natatalo o nabibigo ang kanilang mga anak. Ang gusto ng mga nanay, wagi ang bawat isa. Ika nga po, sumakses ang kanyang mga anak. It is the day of Mary, help of Christians, and of God, always there to help us. Hindi tayo aayaw, hindi tayo papatalo, hindi tayo aatras. We have a God, we have a brother in Jesus, we have a mother in Mary. Hindi po papatalo ang mga taong ito para tayo din hindi matalo at hindi umayaw.